Hi everyone. My name is Vinny Bilyani. I'm here representing Top 2 Invest. Our business focuses on financial planning services. So for AI entrepreneurship, it's a great thing because there are way too many tools, and with Automate Business, they have already done the research. Which tool works best, gives us the optimum utilization. So that's great, first of all, from the team. Second, when you actually start learning about the tools, there are so many ideas that you see actually happening. For example, with social media management, when you say chat GPT से download करके content calendar बना लो और फिर इसको ऐसे बना लो, then you do the post, then the editing, and then manage the posting. With AI entrepreneurship, all of this can be automated, done way too fast. In terms of AI agents, for calling as well as on WhatsApp, I need customer support agent. Second agent that I would really like is lead qualifier, but very specific targeted audience. The first and foremost benefit is data collection. That becomes much easier than me actually asking or going to various resources. So data collection becomes the priority point, and then further filtering and putting effort onto clients that are actually interested, that are genuine, and lead qualification will be perfect for it. For customer support, बहुत queries हैं जिसके लिए हमें involve होने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. It's pretty standard, it's pretty procedural. Most of the things are already decided and defined by SEBI and RBI. हम उसमें कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते. So we just have to facilitate. The AI agent can take all of that on its own. I would just have to schedule maybe some document pickup or something, but nothing more than that. And I am thankful because finance mein the best thing is that I have to sell my advice. And on social media, अगर मैं सारा कुछ खुद करने बैठूंगी तो actual काम नहीं होगा. So right now, this works perfectly, and I love that. I'm also looking forward to the AI implementation for chatbots and calling and support, and I think that's just gonna set my bottlenecks like all